Hey y'all, this is Dave with the Bomb Smokes.
Dave the who?
Today, I'm going to show you how to do a bacon weave. I just learned it. It's not hard at all. So stay tuned. First thing you're going to need is some bacon, of course, and some wax paper. Thin sliced bacon is good to use. The main objective is to make it as tight as possible. You want to eliminate as many open areas as you can. You have to stretch the bacon. Go ahead and do it. But I just lay them out as close together as possible. Now, you want to pull back every other one. Go ahead, just like that. Now, you flip these back over. Now, you take on this end and you pull these back. To bring this upward real close here. Pull that back down there like that, just like that. Okay, now you got these pulled back. Now, you pull back the other ones again. Just as close as you can get it. Just like that. Yeah. Now, pull these back again, every other one. Your other piece, just like this here. And you pull those back. Pretty weave. Anyway, you get the idea. The main thing you want to do is you want them to be as close together as possible. And that's how you do a bacon weave. But I hope this helps some.